Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about whooping cough of the Sina, whereas Sina is given for the patient who have so much of worm infestation, and it is also a child remedy. But today I'll be talking about whooping cough. There is an spasmodic periodic whooping cough, dry sneezing, spasmodic cough will be there. The child is always afraid to speak for a fear of bringing about an paroxysm means coughing is called as paroxysmus. During an paroxysmus, the child looks anxious, catches at her own breath, and gags. Towards the end of paroxysmus, the child throws his body backwards, and a peculiar gaggling sound is heard to go down the throat. This is one of the peculiar symptoms of the SINA in the whooping cough. Thank you.